Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. So first of all, when I'm opening my Instagram, now showing this pop-up. So now I'm provide how can this solve. So you need to first make sure to your internet connection. Now I'm on my internet connection, and then the second solution is you need to update your Instagram. Now I'm already update my Instagram apps, so go back, go to the phone settings, go to app management, click on to app list, just finding Instagram, click on to force stop, and go to the storage uses, clear data and clear cache. So I hope you can follow my easy step, then you can solve this problem.